Okay, hi everyone. I'm back for part 2 of this altered little notebook that I've been working on. Sorry, I ran out of storage space earlier. So let's see if I can get this finished before I ran out of storage space again. So let me just go ahead and continue to sew this little button on. I should have just glued it since I already glued the ribbon on here. And I did find a smaller needle. This isn't going to be too secure, so I'll probably put a little bit of hot glue under there. Gotta get it closer to me so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm not left-handed, so I'm not sure why I was doing that. Oop, oop, oop. Yeah, next time I gotta remember to stitch before I glue. Yep, it doesn't look very pretty. Okay, lesson learned, hopefully. Still got my holy cardigan on. Thanks, Jimmy. Thanks to my little puppy Jimmy. Oops, sorry. Put a little glue on there. Still got that little iron on. See if I can get this to kind of lay flat. This way. Yeah, that works. Alright. That is done. And then I found a little smaller, I was going to use this one, but I found this flat back piece that's a lot smaller. I think it'll look better in the corner there. Okay, there we go. So then I was rethinking about what I'm going to put in this pocket. This pocket is fabric as well, and then I glued some lace and this paper on the front. But I might either, I don't know, when I tie all this together, leave it out like this, tie it together like this with my other little fold, flip up one. I don't know what this thing is called. Trifold, maybe? Little notebook. Like that. Or I could just maybe not include that because of that color. I'm not sure. Could just put this in here like that. We'll see. Could do either or. Guess we could put both in there. They'll both fit in there. Anyway. There's that. This is from Doreen's. This is such a mouthful for me. I don't know why. French Bliss Boutique Tall and Skinny pack. I think it's actually, let me get this. French Bliss Boutique's Kit Tall and Skinny Ephemera Lovely Ladies. So I did just print that off on thin copy paper, regular copy paper, so I could rip it out. I'll just put her somewhere. Yeah, maybe right there. And excuse my mess. I'm just gonna use that. Put some glue on here. Just gonna do light decorating on this little notebook so that I can use it mainly for writing. I think I'm gonna have this as a pocket. Oh, excuse me. Cutter is out of reach. I'm not even going to completely fold it out. About somewhat straight. Marked it earlier where I wanted it. Roughly like so. And I'm just gonna put this on some random page because it doesn't matter. I want it in the middle. Nah. Maybe I want to angle that a little bit more. I'm just gonna keep it like that, I think. Yeah. Got to make sure my glue wasn't clogged up. I'm sure it is. I lost my little steel pin. Oh dear. Should have probably extended this out further, but that's okay. I can still put something in there. Tag or something. Maybe that little purse. It's in her ephemera kit. Oh, okay, I did leave it open if I wanted to put something in there. Maybe she's got a little hanky hanging out or something like that. Again, it would have been easier if I had maybe put this seam binding on before I glued it into the book. Oops. Do that so that I don't glue it in the wrong place. Oops, sorry for reaching. Gotta stop doing that. Gotta have stuff over on my right side so I don't reach over in front of you guys. Ah! Not sure how well I like that, but we're just gonna go with that for now. That's what happens when you just kind of wing it, don't have a plan. Oh, my dog is snoring over there. I just now noticed. She's probably been snoring the whole time. Ah! Almost sounds like she's growling or something. Okay. Got glue strings everywhere. Yep, I did it. I glued it. Glued it to the page. Well, for now, I'm just gonna have this little purse sticking out until I find something else that I might want to put in there. And oops, now I've got a mess. I can't remember where I put my... Maybe now I can use some of these pink little buttons. They're so fiddly. Ah! I said I was going to find some bigger buttons and then I didn't. Oh, those are still so slippery. Okay, hold on just a second. Let me see if I can find some other buttons. Well, shucks, I can't find my buttons. So we'll just go again with these little square, pearly looking cute little buttons. One right there. One over here. Oops. Okay, there we go. I'll probably add some small lace or something, maybe around this side, I'm not sure. And I'll probably get a tag or something maybe to put in there. Probably embellish this with a few more tags and something to go inside. An envelope. Yeah. That's what I'll do. I might just go ahead and glue this one in here somewhere. another little pocket with a spot to tuck something. Ugh. Have to find my pen. I'm making a mess tonight. Oh. Interesting. Let's go ahead and make this into a tag shape. Oop, oop. If I get it right, there we go. And then probably, since this is probably just a scrap of something I've already glued those two pieces together, I'll probably just find some paper and put that there and put a little hole in it and make it a little, you know, a little scratch pad. Something to write on. Additional writing. Alright, well, I think we'll stop there for now before I run out of battery. And, yep, thanks for stopping by. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll probably maybe round this off and maybe call that good. We'll see. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Talk to you guys later. Bye.